Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send photos in HD mode using Messenger in iPhone. This way you can share your favorite moments in the best quality possible. Let's get started. Firstly, find the Messenger app on your home screen. Now click on it. Make sure you are logged in. Next, choose the conversation where you want to send the photo. You can do this by tapping on the chat from your recent list. Now click on the chat you want to send the photo. Now tap on the photo icon in the chat box to access your photo gallery. This is usually represented by a small image. Now select the photo you want to send. Now you can see there is the HD mode. Now click on it. If you want to send multiple photos, you can usually tap on them to select more than one. Now you can send the photo. After sending the photo, you can check the photo has been sent in the HD mode. And that's it. You have successfully sent a photo in HD on Messenger. Enjoy sharing your memories in great quality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.